Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Todd Blackwell. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I want to take you out on the lot today and show you one of our newest arrivals. Here we have a 2014 Ford Edge Limited. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner, and it comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, a security code entry keypad, chrome window trim, and deep tinted glass. Thanks to its well-rounded nature, the 2014 Ford Edge is an excellent choice for a 5-passenger mid-size crossover SUV. This Edge has 18-inch chrome-clad wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread life left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Edge is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam halogen headlamps with delay off, along with daytime running lights, speed sensitive wipers, and really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 6-cylinder 3.5 liter engine with automatic transmission. This Edge has an automatic, full-time, all-wheel drive and is estimated that the drivers will receive 21 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Edge has only 52,872 miles on it. At the back of the Edge you can see the lip spoiler and the rear wiper, along with the dual exhaust, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob you can open this power lift gate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious. You can even lower the back seats right from the cargo area for more space as needed. This cargo space also features a power outlet, concealed storage, and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Edge has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the door bins, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice simulated wood and chrome interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating. The driver's seat even has memory feature. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Edge is also equipped with a garage door opener, fade to off interior lighting, and push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the driver's seat memory, the power liftgate, the headlights, the power door locks with auto lock, and power windows with driver one touch up and down. This Edge has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature that everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding powered dual moonroof. This touchscreen display is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 12 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible. And you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even includes voice activation. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidance lines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.